Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to enable chat in-app sounds in Zangi. To enable chat in-app sounds in Zangi, first tap open the application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in. Now, in the settings interface, you will see your private number, your profile information, and right below personal messages, you will see chats option. Simply tap on it. Here, you will see various options as well. On the bottom, you will see autoplay GIFs option that is enabled, and right above that, you will see chat in-app sounds. Simply tap on chat in-app sounds, and now you have successfully enabled chat in-app sounds. Enabling chat in-app sounds in Jangi helps you to stay alert to incoming messages, calls, and notifications, ensuring you don't miss important conversations. And that is how you successfully enable and disable in-app sounds in Jangi. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.